Alright, welcome back people. You don't know how we do it over here. We slay and save, a ball on a budget. As you can see from the picture, we're doing something a little different. This look I would definitely say is out of my comfort zone, but I saw it a couple weeks ago and got inspired, and I say, you know what? We try new things where we are over here. We're not afraid of nothing. So I just gave it a go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by just parting my hair in two sections, not really equal halves, because I just want that side section that you remember how in 2009 when they had that shave head side look. I kind of was, it's kind of similar to that look but with bantu knots. So we're just going to do a little section, just make that side where you're doing the parting smaller than the side that you're gonna have out. Now also with this look, you can do as I did in the picture, or you can do cane rows as well. So what you see me doing here, I'm just catching up that section out of the way, and then I'm going to start on the other side. I'm going to start from the bottom, going up using my fine tooth comb, and try to get this as evenly as possible. You guys know I'm already using my struggle mirror. See it there? Struggle mirror not leaving. Alright, who don't like it, that's your problem. Anyway, so I think I did about 6 or so. Do as much as you want, do as little as you want, and you can also, as I said, flat twist the sides or do some cane rows or cornrows, as some of you like to say. You just freestyle with it, make it into your own thing. And then the bantu knots was just a little added thing. So here I'm just trying to neaten it up using the tail of my fine tooth comb, and then we're just going to go ahead until we have all the sections on that side. So here for each small section that we made, we're just going to secure it using elastic bands. You can also use a shine and jam or any gel of your choice just to give it some sheen and neatness. So here I'm just going to give you guys a quick tutorial on bantu knots. I'm just going to twine it and then just going to wrap the twine around itself. I have a video coming up with a more detailed bantu knot tutorial, so stay tuned for that one. Alright, so now that we're finished with the bantu knots, we're going to work on our leave out. The reason why we have a leave out is because for this look I used clip-ins, and I'm gonna use the leave out just to disguise the tracks that we have from the clip-ins. So when we finish, we're just going to part out that section just a little bit, not too much, and we also want it to blend pretty well depending on the texture of the hair that you're using. And when we're done, we're just gonna comb it out and twine it up and pin it out of the way until we're ready for it. So now we're just going to start by setting the foundation for the clip-ins. We're just going to take all of our natural hair and make it into a tiny bun. Now also for this look, other suggestions that I would do, you can do twist out, braid out, bantu knot out. You can do a like a nice silky weave. And you know, if you're comfortable straightening your leave out, you can do that. There's so much things you can do, but then again, this is a more protective style, so I wanted to keep the ends of my hair hidden just for this style specifically. So you don't even have to slick down the hair as much as, you know, you normally see me do, because it's going to be hidden under the clip-ins. So I just brush it down lightly, you know, tie it up, neaten it into that small little bun, and then going to go ahead and get started with the clip-ins. So now we're going to go ahead and get started on our clip-ins. Those are the same DIY clip-ins you've seen me use in one of my previous videos for my side afro puff. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I'm going to start out by, you know, clipping it from the bottom up, and we want it to be thick enough to cover the bun as well as to your preference. So just enough to cover the bun, and then go big or go home. Make it thicker if you want, you know, Diana sit and do your thing, just until you're satisfied, and make it into your own style. Okay, so now we're going to start working on our leave out. Now that we're done with the clip-ins, done with the bantu knots, the key to this leave out is to blend, especially if the hair is not exactly the same texture. So you see me doing a start by wetting, well, not wetting, making my hair a little damp, because you know how our hair goes stay when it's damp. We're going to get that kind of curl, and it will make it easier for me to manipulate when it's a little bit damp. So just spray that just enough. I don't want the water drip down in my eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my mousse, and when I use my mousse, shake, it never pop off on me this time. And I'm just going to run that through the hair, and then when I'm finished running that through my hair, I'm going to take my time and individually, you know, finger coil my natural hair with the clip-ins, just to make it blend as best as possible. Alright people, and there we go. Boy, I'm not gonna tell no lie, never think I'd see the day where I'm gonna do a style like this. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright, and another take. So I decided to go ahead and add some gold cuffs to it, just to, you know, add a little zhuzh on it, just to spice it up a little bit. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you can be alerted when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching guys. Till next time, bye.